Ubwanyuma yo kutorana akakiko k'ebyenkuto ahizobero rwakane biro by'okwezi 13 mwezi gwa munana umwaka wa 2026 akakiko aka kakaza kutongozaho kuhunduza oruguuto rwa Rwoho Kirunga Kabagaba omuri Rwoho district ya Ntungamo. Bwanyuma y'akakiko aka akarikwebemberwa Honorable Moses Kahima hamwe na RDC Mariam Kagiga bakabuganaho hamwe abarukora omu kitongore ky'ebyenkuto Shahe mwene Kichweka z'omwabazyo bebembirwa Assistant Commissioner Engineer Rachel Ngonzebwa ababuzibwe akasiona kahindu ahabwachadu bakorekero.
We were in the district roads committee. We talked about works from the Ministry of Works. You are in the habit of not informing the district authorities.
Kino kwa kuvuga motoka ya ministry okaraba tuburi Ntungamo district chairman atakutimanya kawa atakutimanya RDC atakutimanya chairperson no ichiro toine simu
Matuye mukora.
Aba bakabuzubwa ahabwenki barakutandika kukora enkuto batamanyise bakuru ba district.
About how the ministry comes from the ministry, commences its works, no information to the area member of parliament, no information to the district authorities. Nobody is really in a know.
Madam Commissioner, nani nkushaba kindly, I want to see the contractor, I want to see the BOTs, and I want to see where you have started the road and where you're going to end it from.
The office, so that I have started.
By 9.
This is an emergency.
Eki kikajemesereza Assistant Commissioner Rachel Ngozebwa na timu ye kuchera ofisi ya RDC kubasa kushobora ebibuzo ebyamubuzibwe aho baraganise kubugana abataka b'oruguutoru ahasandeji eya kutandika.
Even for some out projects, it is a must that it has to be tested. And there are parameters that we look at when we are testing this material. So once the laboratory team gives us a go ahead that this material is good, that's when we do what? Now we engage and we...
If our ministry twichirizana ngu week erukwisha twena tuje tushitame na stakeholders n'abantu ba community nabo bamanye sente kuza gukora oruguuto.
Bwanyuma y'urukikoru omunyamakuru witu ayorekerera haruguutoru orwakitwe Rwoho Bugamba Road orwino buringwa bwa kilomita 5 kubasa kureba emirimo aharuguutoru.
Ebe bibireho ebyo kora oruguuto orwabere ryo gukorwa 2025 rutakorwe rukahwa kana bweti ruhwire ahabwe bisirikwe birimu bayipeze mwezi katika amizi barunzire nko kubarundo mu bisharara twashika ahari cyabwato omucharara twashanga no barabe bashire hwitaka konka achokurebera honka page karvateji ekagwayo gwagati.
Aha mwanya ogwo abaturage berekero butashemererwa ahebemerere yo nekorwa aharuguutoru
iyo yonyine yarwagati teriho zikagwayo konka bonjire bateka bashweka higuru okwenda ngo mulimo gwabo guhoje kandi twohonka na pipes ezindi zona tari mu pipe nemwe hurire zona zikagwayo ahabwe imotoka birukurabaho. You can imagine nibarere no bakoroteka shanani bazakora umusinge gwenze tinkumo ko barashike nebashuka harimo carvatson nahanda hakwetaga pipes harimo tabakutamu twizi abantu mucucu gwabamaze.
Oruguutoru norutandikira omuri kitwe omu district ya Rwampara mpaka omu district ya Ntungamo kandi norutekateka ko barwabere rukorwa omwaka gwahwire bakoraga gashako sabwera ho muzoburi Ntungamo.
Arendizo atuwasa